A new El Nino episode is forming in the tropical Pacific, and climate models now indicate it could reach the intensity of a Super El Nino, a rare event defined when sea surface temperatures rise more than 2 degrees Celsius above average. The current warming trend has already pushed ocean waters above the 0.5-degree threshold that signals a regular El Nino, and the European Center model projects temperatures climbing well beyond 2 degrees by the coming winter. This surge of heat reshapes atmospheric circulation, weakening the eastward trade winds and prompting the warm water pool to shift eastward. As a result, heavy rain bands migrate toward the central and eastern Pacific, while dry air spreads over the western Pacific. The domino effect on worldwide weather can be dramatic. In the United States, the West Coast is likely to see an increase in winter storm frequency, bringing higher flood risks to California and the Pacific Northwest, while the altered jet stream pattern could suppress hurricane development in the Atlantic by increasing vertical wind shear. Conversely, regions such as Australia, the Horn of Africa, and northern Brazil often experience drought and heightened wildfire danger during strong El Nino events. The latest predictions also suggest that the global average surface temperature could spike enough to set a new record for the warmest year, rivaling the 2024 heat peak. Scientists stress that this added heat does not act in isolation. It compounds the underlying long-term warming trend caused by greenhouse gas emissions, effectively accelerating climate change impacts for the next few years. Historically, the last Super El Nino occurred in 2015-2016 and produced widespread extreme weather, from catastrophic floods in South America to severe dry spells in East Africa. Researchers at NOAA caution that the uncertainties remain large, especially because forecasts made in the spring traditionally carry a prediction barrier that reduces confidence. Nonetheless, early detection offers valuable lead time for governments, farmers, and disaster planners to prepare. Agricultural sectors can adjust planting schedules, water managers can allocate reservoirs more strategically, and emergency services can pre-position resources in flood-prone zones. As the Pacific warms, continued monitoring by satellites and buoy networks will refine the outlook and help mitigate the human and economic toll of what could become the strongest El Nino of the decade. The latest news you find here.